The PNI Voyager S2500 is a car DVR dashcam with Wi-Fi function and 4K video resolution. It is a compact and discreet device with a 2-inch screen, designed to record high-quality video images while driving. The PNI Voyager S2500 has a 2-inch screen. On the screen you can see live the images taken by the front camera as well as the reversing camera. The reversing camera is not included. The screen also allows access to the DVR settings menu. For remote viewing at setup, add the DVR to the Voyager mobile app, Android iOS. The Voyager app allows DVR configuration and live access to images captured by it. The PNI Voyager S2500 records video at a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, providing extremely clear images. This is especially useful for identifying number plates and other details, even in low light conditions. Through the parking function, the DVR monitors the vehicle even when it is parked and the engine is turned off. The DVR automatically starts recording if motion or an impact is detected, helping to save incidents such as knocks or vandalism.